Jace Peach Ghost Scorpion. I just got this. It's fresh. I took the seeds out, so because I always wanted to grow this, and I couldn't find any seeds. All sold out. So man, just look at this. It's like so beautiful. It's like peach cream color. Oh, the smell is fantastic. All that I don't know if you can see that, but it has a lot of placenta in it, some oily capsaicin. So I promised a video, so let me just get it right. I've done this before with Jace Red. That was fucking hot. So yeah, okay. I remember last time it's kind of slowly built up, you know, that ghost. It's hot. It's really hot. It's not I can handle it, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, it's hot. I've eaten hotter, but yeah, I got capsaicin all over my hands from picking out the seeds, and I'm really happy right now because since I picked them myself from the fresh fruit, I know I have the variety that I want. So I immediately took 2 seeds and planted them in soil. It just so, because it's the method I know works. So when they come up, I will just take them out, rinse them, put them in a kratky, and grow them hydroponic. Oh, yeah, it's okay. It's hot. It's not extremely hot. For some people, sure, but yeah, I can feel it fading away. But my stomach is warm, my face is warm, my nostrils are warm and hot. Yeah, so from the north of Scandinavia, I wish you all a pleasant evening and a nice holiday and a trevlig helg, som vi säger på svenska. Nu ska jag vänta på att min sambo vaknar så vi kan hänga lite. Tvätta händerna. I'm gonna go wash my hands. So yeah, see you. Chilli weekend.